Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lavan for all of those who do not know, and I'm back at it again with another video. So today I wanted to show you guys my updated wash day routine and just show you guys some of the things I do while I'm in the shower, as well as what I do for my wash and goes. And being that it is summer, I've switched some things up just a little bit. So I'm going to quit talking and get right into the video. Alright, to get started, so before adding any product, I like to just rinse my hair with warm water. Because I do have low porosity, it does take my hair a while for my hair to really get wet. So you can just see me here just drenching my hair in water. After my hair is completely wet, I'm going to go in with Cream of Nature's Argan Oil Moisture and Shine Shampoo and apply that to my roots and really scrub my roots to get rid of all that product buildup and all of the dirt that might have collected from the previous week. Now I'm just going to go in with my massager and just massage my scalp. I like to do this with every wash day just to get the blood circulating in my scalp. So after I've applied my shampoo, I'm just going to rinse my hair, make sure all the shampoo is out of my hair. Now I'm going to go with my conditioner from Tresemme. I really love this conditioner because it really just moisturizes my hair and makes my hair feel really soft. So I'm just going to massage that into my scalp, make sure that all of my hair is coated with the conditioner so that I can begin to split my hair in 4 sections and begin to detangle.
We don't want to hate and despise one another.
Now I'm just going to take my comb and just detangle my hair from roots to ends. Once I'm done detangling, I'm just going to twist up that section and work on the next section of hair.
Yeah.
You do it in the streets. You do it at home. The rest is bullshit, you know it.
Now that all 4 sections are complete, I'm going to rinse my hair and apply the Main Choice's 3-in-1 conditioner. I'm going to be using it as my leave-in once I have rinsed all of my conditioner out. After I apply the Main Choice 3-in-1 conditioner, I'm going to retwist my hair and pin it away.
My window, they told me I don't need to worry. Summer came like cinnamon, so sweet. Little bells double dutch on the concrete. Pretty little bird sat on my window, they told me I don't need to worry. Summer came like cinnamon, so sweet. Little bells double dutch on the concrete.
So now that all 4 sections are complete, I'm just going to finish my shower and then hop on out. So as soon as I get out the shower while my hair is soaking wet, I'm going to apply Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie to my first section of hair, making sure to work that product from roots to ends to make sure that each strand is coated with product. After the product is evenly distributed throughout my hair, I'm going to split that first section in half and apply my EcoStyle Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. Applying the gel from my roots, working it down to the tips of my hair.
Yeah.
Once the gel is applied, I'm just going to separate my hair into tiny little pieces to give my curls more definition.
This blade never gets any lighter.
Now that the first section is complete, I'm going to clip it away and begin on my next section of hair. On to my last section, I'm going to split it in half after applying my curl enhancing cream. And I'm going to apply the gel from roots to tips, making sure to work it through and then separating my curls as I go. Now that my hair is complete, I'm going to lay these baby edges. So not what? Now that my hair is complete, I'm going to lay these edges. I'm going to take my edges toothbrush and some more Eco Styler gel and just lay that on my edges so that my edges will be nice and slayed for when my hair is dry. So usually I like to apply an oil after I do my wash and goes, but being that it is summertime, I do not want oil to drip from my hair onto my clothes all day. So that is the thing that I switch up. I'm not going to pick my hair that much. So it is the next day, my hair is 100% dry. And I'm not picking my hair that much because I want my hairstyle to last me at least a week. So that's why I'm not going crazy with the pick. So when you are done, this will be the final look. You can choose to pick more if you so desire, but in this video I chose not to. I hope you've enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.